Hi, Explorer! Ready to learn more about time? You got it! As you know, telling time on an analog clock is a bit different than a digital clock. We'll learn all about that today. Let's explore a clock face. The sticks that point at the numbers are called the hands of the clock. The short, thick hand shows you the hour. The longer, thick hand shows you the minutes. The thin, long hand ticks off the seconds. Now, let's learn how to tell time. The numbers on the clock face show you the hour. If the hour hand is pointing at the 10, or anywhere between the 10 and the 11, then you're in the 10th hour and the time starts with 10. Can you see the smaller marks between each number on the clock face? There are 5 ticks between each hour number. These are the minutes. There are 5 between each number, so each hour number on the clock is 5 minutes. As you know how to count by fives, you can use that to count by fives around the clock face. When you got to the 12, you were at 60, right? This is because there are 60 minutes in an hour. So every time the minute hand travels once around the clock face, it has been 60 minutes or 1 hour. The hour hand will move more slowly. When the minute hand is halfway around the clock and pointing at the 6, the hour hand will be halfway between the 2 numbers it is next to. In this case, the 10 and the 11. In 1 hour, the hour hand will move from one number to the next. When the minute hand is pointing straight up at the 12, that means it is exactly on the hour. Whatever number the hour hand is pointing at, it is that number o'clock. Now that you know how to tell the hour, let's practice the minutes. When you're first learning how to tell time, you will count by fives around the clock face until you reach the number the minute hand is pointing at. The more you practice, the more you'll remember what each number represents. For example, the number 6 represents 30 minutes. You'll learn that whenever the minute hand is pointing at the 6, it's 30 minutes past whatever hour the hour hand is showing. So the hour hand tells us the hour, and the minute hand will be pointing at another number. We can count by fives to see how many minutes past the hour the minute hand is showing us. Let's do some practice. Take a look at these clocks. Can you tell the time they are showing? The first clock shows the time 25 minutes past 2. The second one shows 5 minutes past 5. And the third one shows 30 minutes past 9. We worked really hard today, Explorer. It will be easier to tell time using analog clocks with some more practice work. Let's meet again soon, Explorer.